Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Pixel Watch is probably one of the most anticipated smartwatches in recent memory, and for good reason, as it aims to blend Google's software prowess with Fitbit's health tracking expertise into a sleek, stylish package that can keep up with your daily life, from managing notifications and controlling smart home devices to monitoring your workouts and sleep patterns with impressive accuracy, making it a compelling option for anyone looking for a truly integrated wearable experience. Number 5. Fitbit Versa 4 Fitness Smartwatch. Meet the Fitbit Versa 4, your all-in-one fitness smartwatch. It's designed to inspire you and keep you accountable every step of the way. Unlock your potential with advanced features like daily readiness score and built-in GPS. Track your activity, monitor your heart rate 24/7, and explore over 40 exercise modes. Understand and enhance your sleep patterns with personalized insights. Get a daily sleep score and utilize the smart wake alarm for a refreshed start. Manage your stress effectively with our stress management score and guided breathing sessions. Track your health metrics and menstrual cycle for a holistic approach to wellness. Never miss a beat with on-wrist calls, texts, and notifications. Access your favorite apps, make payments, and enjoy a battery life of over 6 days. Get the most out of your device with a 6-month Fitbit Premium membership. Receive personalized insights, advanced analytics, and guided programs to elevate your fitness journey. What we like. If you're looking for a smartwatch that helps you optimize your workouts and recovery, this is the one. Its daily readiness score provides personalized insights, guiding you on when to push harder and when to rest. With over 40 exercise modes and built-in GPS, it's perfect for tracking a wide variety of activities. Choose this if you want to take a data-driven approach to your fitness journey and achieve better results. What people say. The Google Watch has a sleek and modern design that looks great on the wrist. The watch offers a wide range of fitness tracking features, including heart rate monitoring, step counting, and sleep tracking. The display is bright and vibrant, making it easy to read notifications and apps even in direct sunlight. Number 4. Garmin VIVOACTIVE 4 GPS Smartwatch. Meet the Garmin VIVOACTIVE 4, your ultimate partner for tracking your well-being. It monitors everything from energy levels and sleep to stress and hydration, giving you a comprehensive view of your health. Take your favorite tunes wherever you go. Download playlists from popular streaming services directly to your watch and enjoy phone-free listening with your headphones. With over 20 preloaded sports apps, including yoga and running, it's easy to record all your activities. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, it's got you covered. Get guided workouts with animated instructions right on your screen. Access routines for cardio, strength, yoga, and Pilates to enhance your fitness journey. Enjoy extended use with impressive battery life. It lasts up to 8 days in smartwatch mode and up to 6 hours when using GPS and music. Make it uniquely yours. Customize your watch with thousands of free watch faces, apps, and widgets available from the Connect IQ store. Stay safe with built-in features like incident detection and assistance. In case of emergencies, your real-time location can be sent to your contacts. What we like. For those who want a comprehensive view of their well-being beyond just steps and heart rate, this smartwatch is a great choice. Its body energy monitoring helps you understand your energy levels throughout the day. Plus, with animated workouts directly on your wrist and the ability to store music, you can stay motivated and entertained during any activity. Consider this if you appreciate detailed health insights and on-the-go entertainment. What people say. Has music you can download to the watch so you don't have to take your phone with you. The screen is always on. Also not something I had with Fitbit, so I didn't know what I was missing. When doing an activity and you want to quickly know what your heart rate is, Garmin is hands down the best option. Excellent battery life, good for a week without GPS activities. GPS uses 10% per hour, still good. Charges in a little over an hour. Number 3. Lutron Caseta Smart Dimmer Switch Kit PBDG PKG2WA. Seamlessly integrate your lights with Amazon Alexa, Apple Home, Google Home, and more. It connects with more smart home devices than any other brand. Control lights in any room with the included Pico remote. It works wirelessly up to 30 feet through walls, offering a 10-year battery life. Transform your existing lights into smart lights with a single dimmer switch. Save money and maintain your preferred bulb styles by upgrading at the switch. Manage your lighting from anywhere using the Lutron app. Enjoy advanced features like scenes, scheduling, and geofencing for ultimate convenience. This dimmer switch combines advanced functionality with a sleek, modern aesthetic. Easily turn lights on and off, and adjust brightness with dedicated buttons. Experience super-fast, ultra-reliable smart lighting that doesn't rely on Wi-Fi. It works independently, ensuring your other devices aren't slowed down. What we like. If you're looking to make your home's lighting smarter and more convenient, this smart dimmer switch kit is an excellent option. It boasts broad compatibility with major smart home ecosystems, ensuring seamless integration. The reliable connection, which doesn't rely on Wi-Fi, means your lights will always respond instantly. This is ideal for anyone wanting to easily control lights remotely and create custom lighting scenes throughout their home. What people say. The Google Watch has a sleek and modern design that looks great on the wrist. It offers a wide range of fitness tracking features, including heart rate monitoring, step counting, and sleep tracking. The watch integrates seamlessly with other Google services, allowing for easy access to Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Pay. Number 2. Google Pixel Buds Pro. Experience unparalleled audio with advanced noise cancellation. Our earbuds create a quiet sanctuary, allowing your music to take center stage. Connect effortlessly to any Bluetooth 4.0 plus device. Whether it's your Android, iOS, tablet, or laptop, pairing is quick and easy. Enjoy up to 11 hours of listening time on a single charge. With the charging case, you get an incredible 31 hours of power. Need to hear what's going on around you? Transparency mode lets you tune back into the world in real time. Get directions, reply to texts, or manage your music without lifting a finger. Just ask Google for help. Make and receive calls with exceptional clarity, even in noisy environments. Advanced microphones ensure your voice is heard loud and clear. Power up easily with wireless charging. Simply place them on a Pixel stand or any Qi-certified charger. What we like. If you prioritize immersive audio and seamless connectivity, these earbuds are a fantastic pick. Their active noise cancellation creates a personal listening sanctuary, perfect for commutes or noisy environments. With an impressive battery life of up to 31 hours, you can enjoy your music or podcasts all day long. They are also ideal if you frequently take calls on the go and need clear, reliable audio. What people say. Google Watch has a sleek and modern design that looks great on the wrist. The watch offers a wide range of fitness tracking features, including heart rate monitoring, step counting, and sleep tracking. Google Watch integrates seamlessly with other Google services, allowing for easy access to Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Pay. Number 1. KOSPET Tank M3 Ultra Smartwatch. Introducing the KOSPET Tank M3 Ultra, a rugged smartwatch built for any challenge. Its military-grade design ensures durability, while advanced features keep you informed and connected. Never lose your way with its built-in GPS and 6 satellite positioning systems. It also includes a compass, barometer, and altimeter for accurate readings in any environment. With 50-meter water resistance, this smartwatch is ready for your aquatic adventures. Track your swimming performance with professional data and push your limits. Experience exceptional battery life with its large 480 mAh battery, offering over 2 weeks of use on a single charge. Stay powered up for all your activities. Make and receive calls directly from your wrist, and utilize the AI voice assistant for hands-free control of music, weather, and more. It simplifies your daily tasks. Choose from over 170 sports modes, including intelligent recognition for common activities. Accurately track your workouts and analyze your performance. Monitor your well-being with all-day sleep tracking, 24-hour heart rate, and real-time blood oxygen levels. Stay informed about your health and receive reminders to relax. What we like. For the adventurer and the extreme sports enthusiast, this rugged smartwatch is built to withstand the toughest conditions. Its military-grade design and 50 water resistance mean it can handle anything you throw at it, from deep dives to rugged hikes. With 6 satellite GPS systems, you can be confident in your location accuracy even in remote areas. Choose this if you need a durable, reliable companion for your most demanding outdoor pursuits. What people say. The Google Watch has a sleek and modern design that looks great on the wrist. The watch offers a wide range of fitness tracking features, including heart rate monitoring, step counting, and sleep tracking. The display is bright and vibrant, making it easy to read notifications and use apps even in direct sunlight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.